Today in this video we will see how to make Gujarati special Undhiyu. It is specially made during the winters with fresh vegetables and Muthiyas. So watch the full video to know how to make Undhiyu. So let us start. First of all, here I have taken some fresh coriander leaves, sugar, green garlic, oil, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, salt as per your taste, garlic, ginger and green chilli paste, groundnut, I have coarsely grind them, dry coconut powder and sesame seeds. Now mix all the spices together. First mix all the dry ingredients together. Mix it very nicely with the help of your hands. And now add the oil and sugar. Now mix it again so that everything gets combined well. So our masala is ready now. Now take a bowl. In this add 2 cup of the fenugreek leaves. Now in this add 1 cup of the masala that we made. Then add here I am adding 1.5 cup of the besan first. Now mix it very nicely. Make a soft dough for Muthiyas. While kneading, the dough has become very soft. So here I have added another half cup of the besan. So total here I have used 2 cups of the besan. Mix it very nicely and make Muthiyas out of it like this. Now take a big kadai. In this add 1.5 cup of the vegetable oil. And now fry the Muthiyas in hot oil. Fry them at a medium flame so that it cooks properly from inside. Now flip them and fry on the other side also. Fry the Muthiyas till they are golden brown in color like this and take them out in a plate. So in this way fry all the Muthiyas like this. Now here I have taken different vegetables, some sweet potatoes, carrots, small potatoes and brinjals. Now give a cut like this and stuff the masala inside it. So in this way, follow the same procedure for all the other vegetables. Now here I have taken 2 cup of the Surati Papdi, and in this here I am adding 1.5 cup of the Tuver, and in this add the masala that we made earlier. Now mix it very nicely with the help of your hands. And now take a big kadai or a pan, and in this add the same oil that we used for muthiyas, and in this add half tablespoon of the jeera, 3 red chillies, and now add the Tuver papdi mixture that we made. Mix it nicely, and then add all the stuffed vegetables, that is potatoes, sweet potatoes, brinjals and carrots. And now in between here I am adding 1 cup of the tomato puree. If you don't want to add the tomato, then you can skip this process. It is optional. And now cover it with a lid and put some water on it and cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes. Now after 40 to 45 minutes, add all the muthiyas that we made and mix it nicely. And here I am adding 1 tablespoon of the jaggery and some fresh coriander leaves. And also here I am adding dry coconut powder. You can also use fresh coconut if you have. Now mix it nicely. And at last add the garam masala, 1 tablespoon of the garam masala. Again mix it. Now cover it with a lid and cook it for another half an hour. So our Undhiyu is ready. So do try this Undhiyu recipe and serve with garma garam puris, and let me know in the comment box how it turned out. And if you are new to my channel, then quickly like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the updates of my video. So I will see you soon again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.